tingnan nyo naman. Ang linaw ng dagat oh. Napakalinaw. Ano ba to? Pero malinaw. Malinaw nga. Pwede. Ano? Kahit gaano kaganda ang dagat, gaano kalinaw. Tapos mag-isa ka lang naliligo. Tapos ganitong oras na. Parang ganito, akala ko ano, bato lang pala. Bato lang pala. Yo, isang magandang araw sa inyo, mga kaibigan. Maambon ang kalangitan, makulimlim, mahangin. Ilang araw na rin nag-uulan dito kasi may bagyo. Bagyong Inday. O dito banda, asul ang langit. Ibig sabihin wala masyadong ulan doon. Or papunta pa lang siguro. Dito, makikita nyo makulimlim na. Kanina niyaya ko yung aking kaibigan. Mag-reels kami. Rain or shine. Let's see ano yung magiging adventure namin ngayon. Susuot muna ako ng mahiwagang manggas. Tag-ulan pero nagmamanggas ako. Sabi guys, umuulan na. Sana maganda ang aming adventure ngayon. Expect the unexpected. Mas maganda naman talaga kapag hindi mo na-expect yung mga mangyayari pero masaya. May mga naghihintay pa lang kasiyahan. At the same time, ingat-ingat pa rin tayo. Dahil hindi lang tayo ang tao sa daan. Diba? Alright. So, let's go. Yung kaibigan ko na yan, kasama namin rain or shine, pero tingnan naman yung itsura, yung postura niya. Nakasapatos, nakapantalon. Sabi ko, punta ka sa binyag. Gusto adventure eh. Oh, saan tayo? Ha? Wala na yan, dead end yan dyan. Ano tayo? Alerto lang tayo, alerto. Ano? Medyo magagabi na eh. Ano ba yung pa-record yan? So ano, tutulad pa tayo sa Kalatagan? Ha? Ikot talaga sa Mabini. Sige, ikot tayo Mabini. Ay, ano naman tayo pa de? Dito naman tayo sa Anilaw dumaan. No, paano, paikot doon.
Clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine. Wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new. My mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your vanity. Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I
Ito, parang paglipad. Ah, wala. Sige, ikaw na, ikaw na. Ngayon na lang. Bukid, yan. Makasok ko na sa bukid. And then, sa kabilang banda, dagat. So, maganda ang view dito.
I got my head in the clouds so high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. Rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Every doubt just feeds the flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke, I've been blessed, carry faith in an empty chest till now. The stars are down like good old friends, saying, boy, don't stop when the sky just ends. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold.
Alam mo, nag-slide eh. Ano pala to, parang lalagyan natin na lang pasada dyan. Ibabaw dyan. Or, lalagyan ng ano, parang brick wrap. Yung wall. Para iwas sa landslide. Pero, tatarik na lang. Yan. Laki ng, ano, nagulog ng ito dito din.
Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight.
Namin, tayo kasi dagat. Hindi na lang kayo makaligot dagat. Or, minsan kapag sinasama ko ng papa ko ng biyahe sa Panayon, tapos makakatulog ako sa biyahe, sige-sige na lang niya ako kapag may dagat na kami madadaanan. Yung ganong pakiramdam, yung bata ka tapos ano, sabik sa makakita or gandang-ganda ka makakita ng dagat. Excited ka lagi. Maligo ng dagat. Nakaka-enjoy mag-motor. Kasi ligo-ligo yung daan. Ano? Oh. Parang may nahulog. Parang nahulog. Ito na yung may magandang view. Tanaw mo, dungaw mo yung dagat, tapos yung sa kabila naman ay kita niya pasada taas. Oh. Nasa sa baba. Ano daw? Kami? Lapit tayo? Wow. Ha? Ganda. Paikot yun pag ganun yan. So ito lang maliit na bangka yung umikot. Ito yung ano, dito nang gagaling yung lambat.
Paano yan? Na ano, ito ba ang ano, bangka?
Gilid lang yun eh.
Gamo.
Ayun o, ayun, nasa gitna o, napasok na yung isda. Uy, daming huli niyan. Tira, huli yan ah.
Ayun, tumatalon-talon.
Ayun o, kita mo?
Anong klaseng isda kaya yan?
Ano yan, siguro yung tulingan or nagalunggong. Bihira, paldo.
Aldo.
Paldo!
Scatter na. Mga tayangan ni scatter.
Pang one time lang ano.
200 lang. Ubusin ko lang yung 200 eh.
Vlogger na tayo kasi may camera tayo. Yes sir. Ha? Tag?
I don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt. In this tiny shell, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe.
Meron din sa lagayan.
Ha? Ano no?
May lagayan.
Oh. Yun yung hindi ko paano eh. Titingnan ko pa kung paano i-set up yun lang yan. Ang bag ko, andito yung susi. Ay, wala naman siyang magagalaw dyan.
Ala, kunin mo.
Ha? Ano yung mga tao dito, mga maasahan. Ugh. Oop. Oop, ito yung daanan. Ba? Kita niyo yan?
Mas lumawak na to kaysa dati ano.
Oh. Whew. Wow, ganda dito. Maganda dito pa, Dik. Tapos kunwari pupunta-punta doon. Tapos lagyan ng music.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for. But babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know. And when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I really thought we might have been it, so my heart was shattered when it took the hit. Oh, I can't imagine doing all that again, even for one night to see where it went. Here's the thing, you made your bed, I just got your stay out of my head. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know. And when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. End of the road, nowhere to go. You cut the ties, you burn the rope. So don't let me see your name lighting on my phone when it was you who let go of everything we could have been. Is it sinking in all your regret? No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know. And when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I don't need room to guess.
Sa mababaw na tubig. Nakakatakot. Kung minsan, kahit gaano kaganda ang dagat, gaano kalinaw, tapos mag-isa ka lang naliligo, tapos ganitong oras na, parang feeling mo parang may chokoy or kung ano man na nakatingin sa isa mula sa ilalim ng dagat, or ano, yung parang pating or mga ganyan nakakatakot na nilalang. Minsan ano ba, uy ganito, akala ko ano, bato lang pala mga ganyang klaseng ano, yung fear. Diba? Pero enjoy na lang. Oh, ito lang ako sa baba, doon lang yung kasama ko. Wah, nakain naman akong tubig, ngalat. Wala, mainit. Wow, so nice. Ha? Ano? Ano yung mga Indians, mga kapatid na Indians?
That girl is a runner. She was born to get away. Hear that two-tone humming, headed out to the highway. I should have seen it coming through the years left in the dust.
Magtiwala ka lang sa sarili mo, maabot mo or makukuha mo yung mga bagay na hinahangad mo. Hindi man agad-agad pero darating siya.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Ay pa rin, may yate oh. Yate ba yan or ano? Sailboat.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to